What's up, y'all? Welcome back to a stinky edition of Milani and Wayne. Today, though, we're gonna solve a problem for you. We're out in the woods, going on a lovely hike, and our dog, rightfully so, decided duty calls. So now we're in that terrible position where I'm sure most of you dog owners have been. You pick up the poop if you're being responsible, and now no garbage cans out here. Now we just got a nice little present to carry the rest of the way. So we're gonna solve that for you. But when we get back to the car, because there's no garbage cans around here, we're gonna solve you having to put it in your back seat or rolling the windows down. Stay tuned. All right, we're almost back to the car. See it off in the distance there. And if you're real lucky, you got one dog and twice the fun. So now we're getting ready to go do the really unfun part, which is putting this in the car to where it doesn't stink us out, hopefully, which is the key problem we're looking to solve today. So for us, we put the poo in a couple different spots. Nowhere near a garbage can. Milani will be a trooper and hold it out the window up front. But like today, next garbage can we're gonna pass is home. So what we do, come back here and we just hide it with our spare tire. If I can lift this. Can't. So what we do, we put it back here with our spare tire. Just throw it back there. Now, we have to hope we remember to take it out. And on lovely days like this is how we drive home. We're gonna fix that issue. All right, what do I need for this? I need the saw, pencil, I need a drill, I got the bits, some screws, I need the ramp. I need to build a freaking ramp. Okay. Got the saw. What else did I say I need? Saw, drill, tape measure, bits, I got that. Oh, not staples. There's screws. I have the right kind of screws. I don't know if I can get 4 sides out of this. And a bottom and the top. That feels like a lot to ask. So the plan is to take advantage of our trailer hitch. If you don't have a trailer hitch, go get one installed, then this video will be useful for you. So the idea is to just take our hitch, or our tongue here, we're gonna outline the size of it on our 4x4, scrap 4x4 from this beautiful fence that we built. Okay, so we're gonna use that, outline it. I'm just gonna copy the length here, exactly where the hole is, and then build a simple box. This is not going to be a pretty woodworking video, but functional, and that's what we're focusing on today. That long, 8 inches. We'll find out. See how close this was. Let me get to the third side, or final side. Oh, that's pretty good. That'll do.
Oh, should you plug it in?
Gotcha!
In.
So like I say, doesn't need to be perfect, just cutting on the line. Start of the show. Now we got our old school tongue here. Now we need to go do a test bit. And along the way, let's enjoy Milani's beautiful irises. And also along the way, let's enjoy the task I've been avoiding, which is some weed killing. All right, back to the saw. That, you think good?
Yeah.
I hope we have a bit large enough.
Another one that same size.
I got my paddle bits.
Look at that hair. Just blowing in the wind. Oh, little jog. Now it's the scavenger time. Gotta find all the goods. Goods secured.
It should be better.
Too big.
God, he's good. He's on a heater.
Closer to you? Right there.
Side we started on. And the other side, so pretty good.
Rough prototype.
So obviously, as you saw, sometimes we get lucky and get 2 turds on one walk. So we're thinking this size should be able to hold 2. One good primary one, and then a little leftover that gets worked out. So I think we're gonna go 6 by 6 for like the size of it, by 7.5 feet tall. Just using some scrap wood. This is off of, actually I think the first project I ever did for Milani on the balcony of like one of our first apartments. We're gonna use this, and it's gonna continue to move forward in life. The best $4 piece of wood I've ever bought. One of the cons of working with scrap wood, nice and warped.
Kind of looks like books.
Mm-hmm. I think it's good. Now, again, we're not making this pretty. I could go get the pocket hole rig, set this all up. Instead, we're just gonna drill right through and keep it simple.
Whoa, so straight. Pretty.
It's good working with curves, so and probably go ahead and screw this together as it is. It looks like if you were gonna draw one of the like 3D boxes, you know, you draw another one, and you connect all your lines. That's what it looks like. Okay.
Abstract.
Abstract. Good golly, fits like a glove.
Yeah, but if you put it at the bottom.
We're good.
Okay.
Basically.
Be a little crooked.
All right. Now we just gotta secure everything else, huh? Okay, so now a lid. 8 1/4. I'm getting too old for this.
Kind of looks like a little birdhouse.
I know. Multi-purpose.
Cute little birdhouse. All right, so my idea is I want to put this on the lid so it secures it. Wayne's still looking for his solution, so we'll find out what he comes up with.
Folds the way I want it to. Or like that. You know, and then it goes down. Clips right onto that. Oh.
So, can never do a Home Depot trip without getting a little something extra. So, someone got some lawn care things.
Well, actually, as you guys saw earlier, I've been needing to take care of some of the weeds. And we've got, obviously, our dog and cat. Our renter also has a dog. So, we're going to test out that spruce stuff, see how it works. Not using it in our lawn, just where we don't want any grass or weeds, obviously.
Yeah, because it kills both.
For the back, we just went with some simple, non-removable pin hinges. Again, this is a rough and dirty prototype.
Just be careful, don't drop any of those in those. I'm holding the top very well, so. There we go. Now I've got it.
So what's hilarious is because everything's not
all not true.
But anyways, all right. So I got these picture D-rings. We're gonna do one on the top, one on the bottom, and a carabiner. Because this is prototype 1. We're not looking for perfection, we're looking for functional. Here's the vision. This solution, should it work, I think the carabiner was $1.57. These were, I think, $1.97. But it's something like so. I think maybe do that. I just walked so far sideways, I definitely need to see them.
Oh no.
But I think this would maybe cure some of your concern because we can tighten it.
So pretty much what he's saying is with the carabiner, we can't get it far enough to where it would stay closed. It would probably bounce around. So he's trying to come up with a different solution. Look centered.
Yeah.
We're at that point.
Mm-hmm.
Will you close that knife?
Ain't no poo flying out of there. Oh, I need to take it off. Okay, do you want your fine detail on there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Comment down below what you think the fine detail of this prototype is.
I'm gonna go work on it.
What are you drawing over there?
You have to stick around to the end to see.
Done.
Okay, originally I was gonna route this. Router's just behind too much stuff and we still gotta spring clean the shop, so we're gonna use a jigsaw and probably a couple of bits to get it where we need it to be.
Love that for me.
You don't know anyone better with the jigsaw. seeing problems with our prototype. So, I don't know, 2.5, 3 hour project. Spent $6 on it.
Yeah.
Not bad. So now we've just set ourselves up to have to go for another walk today.
So we can test it out.
We'll show you guys how it works and make sure that stays on while we're driving down the road. See you later.
First, we gotta fuel the poop machine. Okay, wait. 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 Okay.
Drop that thing low, boy.
Good boy.
Goods have been acquired. Now let's go put them away. Look at that. It's real windy out here. Definitely can fit two in there.
Maybe 3, maybe 4.
A lot of holes for airflow, obviously. Boom. Now we see if it survives on the way home with a little bit of weight in there. Look at that. What's that? Is that you?
Is that your poopers?
That's yours.
Is that your poopers?
That's yours.
Oh my goodness.
All right, y'all. Well, thank you for watching. Kind of a quick little video today. This is prototype 1. I think we know some things to do to make this better going forward. One is painting it, obviously. Maybe not using scraps. But let us know below. Is this something that you think would be beneficial for you if you're out in the nature and you got a dog? Or leave us a hate comment down below. We like to laugh at those. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.